Welcome back into another, video. And today I'm gonna teach you how to get a lot of Murk. So what is Murk? Murk is the currency that we have in the game. So the only way to get it is by playing the game and ending expeditions. You will get a lot of Murk. So it's either you pass it or not. You get at least 2,000 or 1,000 Murk, and you can use that Murk to go on the small jar bazaar and get some rewards. So you can, get some, relics here. So we have like really good relics. I already bought some for a specific character, so that's pretty good. You have this one, Trigger Ghost Flame Explosion. So you can use the Merc to, buy this stuff. I have a lot of Merc because I don't really use it that much. You can use it to gamble, I guess. There we go. That's pretty cool. So to get all of Merc, either you do expeditions or you sell it. So to sell, you know, um, relics that you don't need, you have to go on the relic rights and go on sell. And you're just going to pick anything that you want to sell here. So I'm gonna keep this one. This one's pretty good. I'm gonna sell this one. I'm gonna sell this one, that one. This one's kind of good, like that. So after you pick stuff like so, I have like 1 4. So we can just all sell it. You just press 3, and you can sell your merc like that. So that's pretty good. That's one way of getting it. If you already beat the Adele, like the Gaming Joe Everdark, you can also go to the collector signboard and get some stuff there without using the merc. But I would suggest not using it as much unless you want to use to buy relics and stuff like that. So that's how you can get merc in Elden Ring Nightreign. If you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.